Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Hartini. I'm a college student of informatic engineering, majoring at the Banjarmasin State of Polytechnic. I want to show you how to use Google Text-to-Speech on your Android. Hello everyone, I want to show you 5 steps how to use Google Text-to-Speech on your Android. Have you ever heard of Google Text-to-Speech before? Google Text-to-Speech. Speech-to-text is a popular productivity hack that many use to more quickly and easily create written sentences. This is 5 steps to use Google Text-to-Speech on your Android. Step 1. Go into your device setting on your Android setting. Step 2. Tap Accessibility on your Android setting. Step 3. Depending on your device, you might need to tap Vision on your accessibility. Step 4. Choose Select to Speech on your accessibility. Step 5. Toggle the picture on and confirm by tapping OK in the pop-up windows. That's from me. If you want to read more about Google Text-to-Speech, you can come to this link. Good luck and thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day and I want to say goodbye.
When Select to Speak is on, you can tap specific items on your screen to hear them read aloud. Start Select to Speak. Then you can tap a specific item, like text or an image. Drag your finger across the screen to select multiple items. Tap the play button to hear everything on screen. Select text that appears inside the camera view.